So in this video we're looking at turning left into junctions, so from a major to a minor road. Things we need to consider: is our path clear on approach? What position do we need on approach? Is the exit road clear? Is something going to be slowing us down or even stopping us as we make the turn? So there's a lot of things which we should be thinking about. So just a basic video just on left turn. So I'm going to move away from here and I'll give you a talk through as I'm approaching the junction. So there's a left turn coming up and I can see there's a red car already parked before the junction, so that's going to cause me a little problem with my positions because I need to come back on the left. So check my rear and left mirrors. I'm going to start to drift back to the left and then indicate about 2 houses away. I'm coming off the gas. I'm making sure first that the exit road is clear before I accelerate. As I come into the new road, check the rear and right just to make sure that you know what's behind you and nothing's overtaking you. So I'm going to be taking the next left, so rear, left mirrors, signal about 2 houses away. I'm going to come off the gas pedal and I've changed my position. So I'm checking inside the junction and I make sure that it's safe before I actually go in. So just a basic video on how to turn left. You don't want to be coming out in the middle of the road and causing obstructions. You want to keep yourself nice and tight to the curb as you're actually coming around there. So I hope this video has helped you understand the process on approach to a left turn, so from a major to a minor, and hope to see you on the next video. Thanks for watching.